Okay, so now we're going to talk about graphing on a coordinate grid. So this is the same two exercises that are in your packet. We're just going to show you how to do this. We're going to start each little one, and then you'll finish it up on your own. When you're graphing on a coordinate grid, always remember that your coordinates or your ordered pairs come in the arrangement of your x value first and then your y value, and you'll plot them that way. So if I look at my ordered pairs here at the bottom, it says connect each sequence of points with a line. So I'm going to start with my first one, which is -5, 9. So I'm going to move to the left to -5 and go all the way up to 9, which is all the way at the very top. I'm going to put my point there. Now I'm going to mark that one saying that I've done it. And then I'm going to do my second point, which is 1, 9. So it's a +1, +9. So it'll be in the first quadrant. Put my point there. Okay. Then my third point is 1, 8. So again, I'll go over to +1 and up to 8. Okay. Now I'm going to connect those as I go. So I'm going to draw over and then draw down. Probably best to go ahead and connect each one as you go. Now this next one, this fourth point, says -3.5, 2. So -3.5 is halfway between -3 and -4. So I'm going to go and then up to +2. So my point should be right in that area. And now I'm going to connect my third point and my fourth point. Okay? And then you're going to continue from there. Now, once you have gotten to this grid, notice that you have line 1, line 2. You do not connect line 1 to line 2. So I'm going to graph a couple of these with you. Line 1's first point is 8, +8, +10. So I'm going to go over to +8, up to +10, and I'm going to put a point right on that top line. Then 2, 3 is my second point. So I'm going to go over to 2, up to 3, put that point at that intersection, and I'm going to connect those two. Now, I'm going to go to line 2, which is +4, -2. +4, and then I go down to -2. And then my next point for line 2 is +10, -3. So that should be right there. And I'm going to connect those 2 points, which isn't perfect, but see if I can redraw that line. Do a little better. There we go. Now line 3 starts with 0, +10. So I don't go left or right, I just go right up on that y-axis to 10. Put that point there. And then -2, +3, -2, +3. And I'm going to connect those two. And then it continues to -10, +3, -10, +3, and then I'm going to connect that, and then I'll go to -4, -2, -4, -2, and then I'll connect that. I'm going to keep connecting until it tells me I'm going to a new line. When I go to a new line, I don't connect, just like I did not connect line 1 and line 2. Okay? Line 3 will not connect to 4. It doesn't look like much now, but when you're done, it'll have a really cool picture.